Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We got another product here. This product is a carbon fiber mud guard made by the company the Carbon Guards on Instagram. If you look on Instagram, I'll probably link it down below or pop a little picture on screen. But essentially this is a mud guard for your car. You see I don't have any mud guards on my car currently because I didn't get any from the factory or nothing like that, and I wasn't even sure if the factory would even fit the aftermarket side skirts. So essentially this is supposed to help with all the mud and stuff that picks up on your car. So let's get into the box. Let me show you what's inside. First, open it. You get little greetings here, you know, them on Instagram, and we got the instructions that you can look on their website how to install these, and then you get what looks like adhesion promoter and these little applicator tools to apply it, and then you get the guards themselves. Have it nicely wrapped in here. So when you guys do order these on their website, you could go to their Instagram, you can see how they're currently making it, but essentially this is it right here. So these are made out of real carbon fiber, and then the back side is a little rubber grip material to catch all the muck and dirt, and every time you're driving, you know, to catch all that stuff. So this is, it looks like the front. I'm gonna do a quick test fit. And yes, it is the front. So this is how it's gonna look like on your car. So this is how it's gonna look like on your car, just like that. You're gonna have the carbon fiber sticking out. You're gonna have this part where the tire is. You can see all the rocks already on my tire. All this is essentially gonna hit the entire side of the car, and you don't want that. So we're gonna pretty much put this on. So I'm gonna show you how to apply this. So let's get all the tools we need. So what you're gonna need is a trim tool to pop out anything like that, any clips or whatever is holding your wheel well, at least for the cord, and a Phillips head screwdriver or a bit with like the little adapter I have. So what we're essentially going to do is take out this one screw, take out the screw, and then we're going to pop this open, and then we're going to take this tool right here and get right under here. About time. So here we are, we got this out. This was pretty much in there. So this is underneath the fender. Now we're gonna take our carbon fiber piece and just mock it up again. So it goes under here and sits just like this. So we're just gonna mock it up. Make sure they line up with the holes. So after we got it mocked up and see and have it where we want it to be, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna take one of these sticks out of the packaging and the adhesion promoter, and we're gonna apply it in the area where we're gonna put this. Make sure you clean it off first. So this is where it's going. And then now, what we're gonna do is essentially just put this on. So first we're gonna peel the tip of this off. Just the tip. So we can peel it off later. And then apply this on. I put the screw on first. And secure the screw. Now that we secured the screw, we're going to put this back on. gonna turn the wheel a second. And we're just gonna pop this in, which is pretty much the hard part. There we are. And then we're just gonna peel this off, so. And then press down. And essentially that's pretty much it for the install. Now for the rear, this one is a little bit different. So technically you would mount it like this. You know, get the screw a little bit away. But the problem is, mounting it like this, you actually have to drill a new hole right here, which I don't have a screw hole or screw for. And then the car doesn't have a stock screw hole here. All the mounting holes are up here. So essentially, what you would do here is just mount it like that. But again, these screw holes don't line up, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that just yet. There is adhesive or 3M tape here, which I could just stick it on and then put the screw hole here, which most likely I'm gonna do. And then I'll just make a new hole here onto this body, this on part that I have, aftermarket part. So we'll just do that. But what I got here is actually a self-tap screw I got from, I had a self-tap screw that I got from one of my other parts that I never needed to use, so I'm gonna use it here. So what first I'm gonna do is mark this up here. Then I'm gonna come back here and line this up back here with the 3M tape as close to the edge as I can to clear the screw up here. I'm probably gonna unscrew this one a little bit to give it some clearance and put it on top of that to hold it. And then I'm gonna take it all off. After I take it all off, I'm gonna apply some adhesion promoter for the adhesive, and then I'm gonna secure this fully. Pretty much all for this side. So that'll be it for the installation of these carbon fiber mud guards by Carbon Guards. So if you guys want to pick up your own, I will leave a link in the description, and their Instagram page also. I'll pop it here on screen again. That'll be it for the installation. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a like, get this video out to more people, and that's it. See you on the next one.